Merħba sbieħ tiegħi. Jiena Miss Julie u hawnhekk ħankun qegħdin nieħdu gost u nitalmu flimkien. Tfal, jekk intom qegħdin tieħdu pjaċir dawn l-istejjer li qed intikom jiena, tiddejqux tagħmlu subscribe kif ukoll tafsu il-qampina biex intom tkunu dejjem tafu meta jiena ntella video ġdid. L-istorja se naqraw illum hija storja bl-Ingliż. It's called Beep Beep Vroom Vroom. U din l-istorja tajba ħafna biex aħna nitalmu naqra mezz ukoll. ħanaqleb bl-Ingliż nerġa'. It is written by Stuart J. Murphy and illustrated by Chris Demarest. Wow, it's a nice book. Beep beep! Honked the yellow cars. Vroom vroom! Zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash! Banged the blue cars. Cars are fun, said Kevin, for big kids to play with. I like cars, said Molly. You're too little to play with my cars, said Kevin. I don't think he's being a good boy, is he? Kevin, called Mom. It's your time to set the table. Huh? Mom, grumbled Kevin. He carefully lined up all the cars on the shelf. Can you see? When I come back, Kevin told Molly, I want to see my cars just the way I left them. Can you see how they are, children? They're in a pattern. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Very good. Molly waited until Kevin went downstairs. Then, vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. She's playing with his cars. Dad heard lots of vrooming and crashing and beeping. Molly, Dad said, you know you shouldn't play with Kevin's cars unless you ask. Let's put them right where you found them. Kevin always lines his cars up in a special way. Is this the same way? So it's red, red, yellow, yellow. Sorry, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. Is it the same? Molly waited until Dad went downstairs. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Zoom, zoom, zoomed the red cars. This time, Mummy heard a lot of crashing and beeping and vrooming. Oh, Molly, Mom said, you've made a big mess of Kevin's cars. Can you help me put them back the way they were? Look, children, is it the same? Red, red, yellow, blue, blue. Yellow, red, red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. Is it the same sequence? I don't think so. Molly waited until Mum went downstairs. Then, beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Now, Digger heard the beeping. Who do you think Digger is? Yes, it's the dog. Digger barked. Digger gave Molly lots of kisses and he wagged his tail a little bit too much. Oh my goodness, look what happened. Oh, what a mess. Molly, called Kevin from the kitchen. You'd better not be playing with my cars, was playing with his cars. Molly put the cars back on the shelf as fast as she could. Look, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, red. She could hear Kevin coming closer and closer. Molly looked at the cars. They didn't look quite right. She lined them up again quickly. When Kevin walked in the door, he found his cars just the way he left them. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Exactly. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Maybe someday you'll be old enough to play with the cars too, said Kevin. Surprise, Molly, said Mom. She was standing in the doorway. We were going to wait until your birthday to give you these, but we think you're old enough to have them now. Molly smiled at the shiny new cars. Look, and they're in a sequence as well. Green, blue, green, blue. Your turn. Exactly. Beep, beep, honked the green cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the purple cars. Oh, so it's purple. Crash! It was a very nice story. Children, do you like to put your stuff in a certain way? I do like to keep my room nice and tidy, and sometimes I do sequins as well. If you like the story, children, don't forget to press like, okay? I see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. I love you.